Coral. Coral.
Your dad.
Oh, thanks. My coral. I was looking for that. Anyway, this is my Walking Dead Terminus popsicle stick creation. And this is for 4th of July 2015. And this is being built just to blow it up with firecrackers. But before I do that, let me give you the grand tour. On the actual Walking Dead show, Terminus, of course, is a series of buildings and train cars. But for my purposes, I condensed everything into one building. So our first room is the creepy candle room. Kind of goofed up the names a little bit. Wish I would have done them before I put the walls up. Next room is the execution room. And we got somebody that's already been cut. We got a little executioner there. And these are army men, cheap army men that have been repurposed and painted. Had their limbs cut off and glued back on so I could get them in whatever pose I wanted. And this room is the butcher room. Got some body parts on the wall here. And then the last room is the belongings room. Got some guns in there. Made a little crossbow, some briefcases, suitcases, and those little gray things are supposed to be watches. There's my crossbow. So now, I'll be right back in a second. I'm going to add some fireworks. I'm back and just about ready for detonation. Had one last second addition, and I don't know if this is even going to show up on the camera or if I'll be able to see it, but since this is Walking Dead, got some fake blood packs in there. So again, I've never done that before, but we'll see how it turns out. And I think I bought way too many firecrackers. That's 1,000. I should have went with 500. But anyway, let's set it off. Alright, they don't get to live after what they've done. A lot quicker than I thought. Have a happy 4th.